Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to change out the graphics panel for maybe a custom graphics panel that you have at your location. The first thing we're going to want to do is take the old panel out. We may have to unlock the base cover and then pull the cover off. And then to remove the existing panel, it's just simply pulling it out of the slots that are on the side. So we have this removed, and now we're going to put our new custom panel in. So here's our new panel. The first thing we're going to do is fit it into the slots that are on the front side and the back side of the TX tower. We're going to bring it down to about 3/4 of the way down into the slots, and then we're going to push the panel up into the underneath of this top cover. Once it's up far enough, you should be able to just fit the bottom into the grooves, and the whole panel will sit proud. Last, we're going to put our TX base cover back on and lock it up. That'll help keep the panel in place.